Shower. Room number 1. Give an idea. Prince, can you go in the corner so she can give an idea of scale? Just in that corner, so you know how big it is. It's big. Okay, sign up box. Bedroom. Slam up. And third.
Here, where's another room? Yun po yung talagang anak, yan ang siyang gusto tumira dito. Basta gusto ng ama.
You're 27 years old.
Papa.
When I bought this house, I was also 27 years old.
Ano?
Yeah.
And he's a businessman. Like you.
This is good vibes in business. When I bought this one, I only have 1 million. Then the previous owner is a family friend. I pay them in a year time. 1993.
27 years old siya nung nabili daw niya ito.
My dad used to see this in England. It's difficult though because it's very difficult to video. Because
Kaya pala ito, ano to, kasi lalagay, ito pala ang ginawa rin ng bodega.
Itong ginawang bodega. Ito, wala pang opisina yan.
Diretso.
Oo, ng bulo. Ito, puro drum din yan. Dito yung mga sasakyan. Chemicals.
Kaya pala ay talagang...
Then, what may I find again?
is there keys to the master bedroom? Master bedroom.
I don't have the key. It's in the...
Is
You
it?
want to wait? I'll get it.
Is it nearby?
Mindanao Avenue.
Is that far?
10 minutes drive.
Oh, because my dad is gonna. It's very important that he's like 50-50.
Kaya kapag din, maraming po na. Wala kayo may to say.